Adam here at the Digital Goja showroom. Today we're going to take a look at the ZEISS Batis 25mm f2. Stay tuned. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and overview of one of the best-selling lenses in the ZEISS Batis lineup, the 25mm f2. Now, this lens from ZEISS is designed specifically for the full-frame Sony mirrorless E-mount cameras. So cameras like the A7 III, A9, A7R, but you can also use it on your crop sensor camera as well. So if you have an A6500, 6300, 6000, you'll get an equivalent focal length of 37.5 millimeters. So it's no surprise that this is one of the most popular lenses in the ZEISS Batis lineup. The 25mm focal length is extremely versatile. It's great for shooting landscape, travel, street photography. Photojournalists love this focal length. It's also great for videographers as well, and its fast f2.0 aperture lends itself for shooting food as well as astrophotography. All right, so let's head over to the studio and see what ZEISS provides you with the 25mm lens. All right, so let's take a look at what ZEISS provides you with the 25f2 Batis. Let's zip off the cover. The first thing you're going to notice, ZEISS does a phenomenal job boxing their lenses. They keep them well protected. You have pre-cut foam. Let's take out this box and see what ZEISS provides you inside the little white box. And the first thing you're going to notice is your instructional manual. Then you're going to see your 3-year warranty card, of course, from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja. You have your Discover ZEISS Optics pamphlet. You have your ZEISS warranty guideline and your test certificate for final inspection. So let's get the lens out of the box. And you're going to notice first thing is it's lightweight, it's sleek design, there are no buttons on the lens itself. The lens takes a 67mm filter thread. Let's take off the rear cap. You have a metal mount with the rubber gasket to keep your sensor protected from dust and dirt, a rubberized focus ring, and of course ZEISS provides you with a bayonet style lens hood. Let's take a closer look at the ZEISS 25mm Batis. One of the things ZEISS set out to do when designing the Batis series of lenses is that they wanted to make these lenses streamlined, lightweight, to match the camera bodies from Sony. Now, there are other fast wide-angle primes out there on the market that tend to be very heavy and large, and typically photographers are going to have to use a battery grip or some other type of grip to balance the lens and camera out. Now, that's not the case with the ZEISS Batis lens. So the first thing you're going to notice when you pick up the ZEISS Batis lens, especially the 25mm f2, is that it's really lightweight, and this lens weighs under a pound at 11.82 ounces. Also the size, it's just about 3.2 inches in diameter, 3 inches in length. It has a 67mm filter thread size, so this is going to allow you to use all your popular screw-in type 67mm filters, so whether or not you want to attach a polarizing filter, UV, or ND filter. All right, so don't let its lightweight fool you, because this is an all-metal construction. It's fully weather-sealed, dust-proof. ZEISS really had the intention of having the photographer be able to use this for many years. So a feature that's going to set this lens apart from some of the other lenses out there for the Sony E-mount cameras is its integrated OLED screen. Now, this is going to display your focusing distance, and you can program it to be in either feet or meters, whichever you prefer. But it's also going to show you your depth of field scale. This is going to also allow you to see and preset your focus, especially when shooting in the dark. I see it as a great feature for videographers who want to be able to pull focus because it's easy to see where the focus is set to. When it comes to optics, ZEISS is one of the leaders in high quality optics, and the ZEISS Batis lens, the 25f2, is no exception. It features the Distagon design. This is designed to minimize distortion and vignetting, which is common in wide-angle lenses when they're stopped down. It features 10 glass elements in 8 groups. It features a floating glass element design. This is going to minimize aberrations throughout the focusing range. It also features 4 double-sided aspherical lenses for consistent edge-to-edge sharpness and peripheral illumination. So if you look at the front of the lens, you're going to notice that it says the T asterisk. Now, this is the type of coating that ZEISS is going to use on the lens. This is going to help minimize reflections for better image clarity, contrast, and color fidelity. All the ZEISS Batis lenses feature a linear autofocus motor. This is going to give you precise, quick, and silent AF. And since the Batis lenses are designed specifically for the Sony E-mount cameras, it's compatible with all the autofocusing modes, especially the continuous AF for subject tracking, as well as the well-renowned eye detect AF autofocus. Another great feature of the ZEISS Batis lens, especially this 25mm f2, is that you can get really close to your subject matter for creative compositions. In fact, you can get as close as 7.87 inches from your subject matter. So if you're looking for one of the highest quality wide-angle lenses that's fast for your Sony E-mount cameras, look no further than the ZEISS Batis 25mm f2. This is really a game changer, folks. It's going to take your photography to a whole new level. So if you're interested in this lens and looking for more information, please click on the link below. Hit us up with a like button underneath if this video helped you out. Subscribe to our channel for more unboxings, first looks, overviews, and much more. Remember, if you're in the Miami area, come by, say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, leave them in the comments section below. We love to hear what you have to say. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video, folks.